Hi, this is Zak Mir with the Crypto Risers here at Zak's Traders Cafe for Thursday, the 29th of February, and some great looking charts today. Starting off obviously with Avalanche, and here you can see they've got a rising trend channel there from back at the end of October. We're breaking through recent resistance around $43, end of day close above that, and we should be on our way to as high as $62 in the top of that channel by the end of March. Upside valid while we remain above the 50-day moving average and the floor of the channel there at $36. Arkham is next, and here you can see we've got a massive rally within this rising trend channel there from back in December. Top of the channel there heading for $3.40. We're looking for that by the end of next month or even sooner, while we remain above recent resistance on the way up at $1.80. Obviously, you might have to allow down for recent support there, $1.40, but ideally we go straight through to the $3 plus level while we're above $1.80. Another interesting situation to keep an eye on at the moment is Dilithium, and here you can see we've had that bit of a shuffle backwards and forwards, but bouncing off the 20 cents level, and while we're above that, looking for a breakout to the top of the rising trend channel from December as high as 40 cents over the next week or so. Very, very simple ascent there, very, very straight price action. That suggests that there is some strength behind the move. Moving on to everyone's favorite, which is Dogecoin, and here you can see that we've had the big breakthrough today. Current situation is that we're making progress this week, basically, with a big breakout through a December resistance around 10 cents, looking for a target as high as 17 cents over the near term, maybe over the next week or two, that kind of time frame. But looks like another very strong situation with those progressive green candles, and as I said, the upside there while we're above $10. Less famous situation coming up next, and let's see if we can get the sort of glory that we've got with some of the other markets. But Sucre is next, and here we've got a rising trend channel from way back in October. Top of the channel there at 6 cents, which compares with the current breakout that we're getting having at the moment around the 4 cents area. The longer we stay above the initial February resistance around 3.5 cents, the greater the chance of a move to 6. So it'll obviously be a decent return over the next week or two. One of the stars of the show today, rising with Bitcoin, has been Ethereum, and here you can see that we've had various targets here. Above 3,000 we were looking for 3,300, and above 3,300 we are looking for 3,700 as soon as the end of next month. It should be rather sooner than that, given the way that we've got, once again, we've got these very strong daily candles. Really does look like a melt-up situation there. Upside certainly valid while we're above the 3,300 level on Ethereum. Next up is, and again, a less high-profile situation, but hopefully it will do the job for its fans. Kleros, here you can see vertical move over the course of this week. This week really has been the big week for the cryptos, and rising trend channel there. We're just below 4 cents at the moment. If we can break through that area, it would be up to as high as 5.5 cents over the next week or two, although the way things are going should be rather sooner than that. You can see the old resistance there around the 3 cent mark, or 3 cents mark, and therefore we're looking for this market to hit 5.5 cents while we're above 3 cents. Meta Apes is next, and here you'll see that it's echoing what we've had in other markets, but in reverse. Let's say we've had a bad run over the course of January. The rug pull there. The key here is to break through the 50-day moving average around the 1.7 cents area, and then head up to as high as 6 cents if we can break out. But obviously we need to get through that 50-day line first, and that might take a bit of work, especially with the intraday knockback that we've had already. Nice situation coming up next, we hope, in the form of something, and here rebound off the floor of that broadening triangle from December. Want to see this market get through the 50-day line around 1.5 cents. We can do that. We're looking for 2.5 or maybe even 2.6 cents over the next week or two. Finishing off with Tron, and here we got the market, the more conventional rising trend channel there from back in October. Top of the channel there just through 16 cents, and that's valid while we hold above recent support around 13.5 cents, maybe allow down to 13 on that one, before assuming 16 cents plus will be hit in the first week or two of March. That's it for me today. More updates tomorrow.